Hey Space Cadets, and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and marveled at the twinkling stars? Or maybe you've seen a breathtaking image from the James Webb Space Telescope and wondered where it all came from. Well, today we're taking a journey back in time to explore the fascinating story of the origin of the universe itself. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a cosmic adventure that will take us to the very beginning. We'll cover the Big Bang Theory, the formation of stars and galaxies, and some of the unanswered questions that still remain. But before we blast off, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting space content. Okay, Space Cadets, it's time to warp speed it back to the beginning. First up, let's tackle one of the most mind-boggling concepts of all, the Big Bang Theory. Now, we all know that our universe is vast and ever-expanding, but did you know that it's also incredibly old? According to scientific estimates, the universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. And get this, it's constantly expanding. That means the space between galaxies is getting bigger and bigger with time. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. It showed us that the universe wasn't static, but was instead dynamic and ever-changing. So what does this all mean? Imagine you're at a birthday party with your friends and family. As the party gets into full swing, you notice something strange. The people you're talking to are slowly drifting apart, not because they're leaving the party, but because the room itself is expanding. In a sense, that's kind of like what's happening in our universe. Galaxies are moving away from each other due to the expansion of space. But wait, if everything is moving away from everything else, shouldn't it have always been this way? No way, Space Cadets. If that were true, we wouldn't be here. Scientists have used this phenomenon known as redshift to calculate how fast galaxies are receding from us. By measuring the redshift of distant galaxies, astronomers have determined that the universe is expanding at an accelerating rate. They believe that this acceleration is caused by a mysterious force known as dark energy. But that's a topic for another video. Now let's turn our attention to the incredible power of gravity. Gravity is a fundamental force that shapes the structure of the universe. It's what keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground and what causes planets to orbit around stars. But did you know that gravity also plays a crucial role in the formation of galaxies? After the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles. Over billions of years, gravity caused these particles to clump together, forming the first stars and galaxies. The continuous dance of gravity has been responsible for the birth of new stars, the collision of galaxies, and the formation of black holes. Here's an example of how gravity works its magic. Imagine you have a bunch of marbles scattered across a table. At first, the marbles are relatively evenly spaced, but then you place a heavy ball in the center of the table. The ball exerts a gravitational force on the marbles, causing them to move towards it. Eventually, the marbles form clumps around the ball. This process is similar to how galaxies form under the influence of gravity. Instead of marbles, we have gas and dust. And instead of a heavy ball, we have a massive cloud of matter. Over millions of years, gravity pulls this matter together, increasing the density and temperature until a star is born. Speaking of stars, let's talk about how they form the building blocks of our universe. Stars are massive, luminous balls of plasma held together by their own gravity. They are powered by nuclear fusion reactions in their cores, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing tremendous amounts of energy. The life cycle of a star is truly remarkable. It begins as a giant cloud of gas and dust that collapses under its own gravity. As the cloud collapses, the material heats up and forms a protostar surrounded by a disk of debris. Over time, the protostar ignites nuclear fusion in its core and becomes a full-fledged star, emitting light and heat into the surrounding space. Stars come in different sizes and colors, which indicate their surface temperature and mass. Our Sun is a medium-sized star with a surface temperature of about 5,500 degrees Celsius. However, stars can be much larger and more massive than our Sun. For example, Rigel is a blue supergiant with a surface temperature of over 12,000 degrees Celsius and is nearly 20,000 light-years away. Now let's talk about the stuff that makes life possible: planets. Planets are celestial bodies that orbit around a star. They come in a wide range of sizes and compositions, from small rocky worlds like Mercury and Mars to gas giants like Jupiter and Neptune. Planets form from the leftover material in a star system after the star has ignited. This material, known as planetesimals, comes together through a process known as accretion. Accretion happens when small pieces of debris collide and stick together, forming larger and larger bodies. Over millions of years, these bodies grow into full-fledged planets. The solar system has 8 major planets, each with its unique characteristics. Mercury is the smallest planet and is heavily cratered due to meteorite impacts. Venus is Earth's closest neighbor and is shrouded in a thick atmosphere that traps heat, causing a runaway greenhouse effect. Earth is the only planet we know of that supports life. Mars is a cold and dry planet with evidence of past liquid water on its surface. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and is a gas giant with a famous great red spot. Saturn is known for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Uranus and Neptune are ice giants with peculiar sideways rotations. And finally, Pluto is a dwarf planet located in the Kuiper Belt beyond Neptune. And let's not forget about the mysterious and mind-bending world of black holes. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape their grasp. They are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives and are characterized by their mass, charge, and angular momentum. Black holes can range in size from a few times the mass of our sun to billions of times larger. Once something crosses the boundary of a black hole known as the event horizon, it can never escape, not even light. Black holes are incredibly difficult to observe directly as they don't emit any light. But their presence can be detected by studying the effects they have on nearby matter. Astronomers have discovered supermassive black holes at the centers of most galaxies, including our Milky Way. These black holes play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies, affecting the motion of stars and the growth of the galaxy as a whole. Okay, space cadets, it's time to wrap up our journey through the amazing story of the origin of the universe. We've explored the Big Bang Theory, the formation of stars and galaxies, and the mysterious world of black holes. But remember, this is just the beginning. There is so much more to discover about the vast and ever-expanding universe we call home. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we'll uncover more secrets of our existence and our place in the grand scheme of things. Who knows what amazing discoveries await us in the future? Maybe you'll be the one to make the next groundbreaking discovery. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop seeking knowledge. The universe is full of wonders, and the more we learn, the more we realize just how much there is to know. And that's where you come in, Space Cadets. We want to hear your thoughts on the amazing story of the origin of the universe. What do you find most fascinating about our cosmic beginnings? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the vastness of space and time? Share your thoughts, questions, and comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting space content. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the cosmos, we hope that you'll join us on this incredible journey. So buckle up and get ready for more adventures among the stars. Until next time, keep looking up.